on this planet?
Like 6 or 7 billion.
7.5 billion.
Almost 7 billion.
6 billion. A lot? Billions? I couldn't tell you.
How many in the United States?
That would be. I know this. That would be 125 million.
800 million.
A lot? I don't know.
Okay.
3 million. No.
While world leaders meet to talk about combating climate change in Copenhagen, some people say that population control is, at the end of the day, the only real way to fight it.
Because if in imagination you think of the population suddenly decreasing by, say, 10% painlessly, I think you'll find many things will immediately be much better. Less traffic congestion, less stress in general, more food per person, and so on.
But the issue of population lies absolutely at the heart of the destruction of the natural world today. If we had to find a way of creating a sustainable future for 1 billion people, I can assure you it would be a great deal simpler and a lot better for the natural world than trying to find a solution for 6 billion people, let alone 9 billion people, which will be the population of this planet by the middle of this century, by 2050.
We have a finite world, but an infinite ability to increase our population.
As our human population continues to increase, we see a number of environmental problems, including the depletion of our natural resources, our forests, fisheries, fossil fuels, croplands, and plant and animal species. We are destroying the biological diversity on which evolution thrives. We are systematically polluting our air, water, and soil, and consequently our food chain. We are depleting the stratospheric ozone that shields us from harmful ultraviolet radiation. We have a lack of fresh water, soil degradation, and deforestation, along with increased use of pesticides. If we don't control our population, these problems will only escalate, and our planet will be doomed.
The large human population calls for an increase in food supply. Let's take vanishing of the bees for instance. Mass agriculture caused for a huge amount of pesticide use. Pesticide use led to colony collapse disorder. This influenced not only the bee population, but the population of plants and other animals. As you can see, the increased population puts a huge demand on the resources of our Earth.
How will we solve this problem of worldwide overpopulation?
The answer lies in education.
As humans, we are a young species, a child learning to walk.
We must learn from our teacher, the environment, which has been around since the birth of our planet.
In order to solve overpopulation, we must work together with nature, not against it.
Nature is unstoppable and indifferent to our existence. It will destroy us if we continue to survive in conflict.
As Earth reaches its carrying capacity, we must be aware of the consequences that will arise.
In order to avoid ultimate destruction, humans must grow up and learn to walk hand in hand with the environment with which we live our lives.